Hey guys, welcome back to Kevin's channel! Okay, so today we're just gonna plant some stuff. And was my sound good? Okay, now, so today we're gonna be like to singer to farmer. Okay, first step, day of my farmer life, we have to plant the stuff. And with carrots and veggies. The first step, we're just gonna take the stem out, like take the leaves one at a time. Don't be too violent. But these you can also eat it, so we don't need those. We need this guy. Okay, now take all of them out. 妈妈，你可以帮我弄快转吗？你能录着，但你帮我做快转。
要快转吗？你自己做快转是吗？
我想说你也可以帮我弄个快转，就是会更快。
哦，结果你自己弄了。好。
So now we are going to cut the carrot. Wow. That was evil. Now we're gonna cut the onion. Okay, see? This part. Now we're gonna put these seeds into the bag, and we have to munch them because one of them is 2, so it can help us be faster at planting and also have more. That's good. Now you can see some of them are already apart, so that's good. Okay. We have to use boiled water to cook it because there's some bacteria on it, and we don't want any bacteria in our plant. So that one that we just used wasn't very good, so now we're just gonna use our mini blade. Let's go. Go. Wow. Wow. Okay, now it's good. We finished the stuff. Okay. Like a few days ago, we used water to grow these sprouts, and now they're almost finished growing, and they're gonna grow taller. Now we have to put it into soil. I'm so happy. Now we're gonna use the eggshells to give them more. But this one, it's taller, and we have to put the ones that already have a little bit of their bodies. So we have to like use this to cover. Oh, now we have to put more here. This one we don't have. Later we'll have to put some soil, so we don't have to be too urgent. Okay, now we're gonna put some of these seeds on this side, and the other side we're gonna grow the other stuff. Real tall, real big, real pretty. Now we're gonna put basil leaves. Not too much. Okay. We're gonna put stuff on this one. Okay. I'm gonna change the side. Now we just have to make little holes in right here. planted. So happy. Here, here, here. Super excited. OMG! Right here. 太可爱了啦！太可爱了啦 ！Oh my god! Now we're gonna put the carrots in. So it's the first time, so we don't have to make it like lookable. We can make it invisible. Okay. So now, the first time it's like the carrot, we don't have to let the head like you have to make it invisible like this. There's a carrot. So it's okay. Happy. We're gonna put some soil everywhere, or later I'll take care of this. Now this is finally finished. Okay, now we're gonna put just a very thin piece of soil to make it more comfortable. You only have to cover it because if you cover too much, it kind of will get stuck. Okay, now it's just done. It's finished. Now can we put some water? So basically, my mother helped us make a cool water planter, and now you can take care of your plants. I can't get the hold of this. Okay, now we're gonna add some water. You have to clean the edges of the planter clean, so it's better. Okay, so every day I'm gonna make some like I'm gonna take pictures and you can see the everyday go around. Maybe it's not too much, but the first day and the second day won't be too much, but the first day and the 14th day, I am not sure, it may be very good. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so if you want to plant too, you can go in the comments and say yes. Okay, and like, subscribe, and click the notifications. I will see you next time with my plant. Bye.